Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Harris TV. Don't forget to follow me and join to my journey.
The ride teach patience. The open road reminds me that not everything needs to be rushed. That sometimes it's okay to just ride. No destination, no deadline, just the journey. Through sharp curves and straight highways, through sunlight, wind, and little rain, I found my strength, my rhythm, my clarity. Long rides aren't just about travel. Ang mga ito ay tungkol sa paghahanap ng iyong sarili sa isang lugar. So to every rider out there chasing peace, chasing adventure, or maybe just chasing the sunset, this ride for you. Keep riding, keep living, because sometimes the longest road take us to the deepest places. When I ride, the world slows down. The wind brushes my face like a welcome friend. The sound of the engine becomes my heartbeat. Every twist of road, every view around the bend. It reminds me that happiness isn't a destination. It's right here, in the ride. The ride gives me space to breathe, to think, to just be. No screen, no noise, no expectation. Just me and the road, unfiltered and real. Sometimes I ride to escape. Other times I ride to connect. But always I ride because ito po yung nagbibigay sa akin ng kaligayahan. Kaya sa sino mang naghahangad ng kaligayahan, baka mahanap mo lang ito na may dalawang gulong at bukas na ang kalsada.